Many of the former top cops reacted to the allegation made by a Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR official that a former Philippine National Police or PNP chief aided dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Guo in sneaking out of the country. Some of them immediately cleared their names and denied involvement, while others demanded and even threatened to file a case against the PAGCOR official if he is not able to prove or at least substantiate his claim. Patrick De Jesus has the rest of the details.
Former chiefs of the Philippine National Police distanced themselves from allegations that one of them helped former Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo escape. This was revealed during a Senate hearing yesterday by a PAGCOR official, retired General Raul Villanueva, who is also a former commander of the intelligence service of the AFP. According to Villanueva, it was being talked about within the intelligence community that a former PNP chief was also allegedly included in payrolls. Former PNP chief, retired General Rodolfo Azurin Jr., challenged Villanueva to name the person he was referring to, lest cases be filed against him. Azurin added the PNP is facing many challenges, and such irresponsible statements without solid evidence are uncalled for. Another former PNP chief, retired Police General Benjamin Acorda Jr., also stated that Villanueva should clarify his statements and identify the person involved so that they can respond properly. He also emphasized that the integrity of all former PNP chiefs is at stake and the statement is unfair to those who are innocent. Former PNP chief Oscar Albayalde meanwhile said that the PNP should look into this, saying it's a serious allegation. The former PNP chief also described it as unfair to other former PNP chiefs as well.
Alice Guo basically naging mayor yan na 2022 and to say for the record, never ko pong na-meet yan, never kong na-encounter yan si Alice Guo, kung yun ang gusto nyong malaman. At yung akusasyon, kung talaga meron kayo sanang ina-accuse, then you should have the guts na ituro kung sino talaga so that charges can be filed in court. Hindi po yung nagba-blind item tayo ng ganyan.
Former Senator Ping Lacson, who also served as PNP chief, expressed alarm at the information revealed by PAGCOR. Former top cop, Senator Ronald De La Rosa, has also cleared his name from the accusation. According to the PNP, they are taking the allegations seriously and the investigation is now being led by the CIDG. They have also coordinated with the PAGCOR.
There is no sacred cow dito sa gagawing investigation, even if it means holding liable ang isang former chief PNP. Binigyan na rin po niya ng utos ang CIDG to coordinate with the PAGCOR to get more details as to the identity of this alleged former PNP who's allegedly on the take.
They will not let it pass if the allegations against the former PNP chief are proven true.
Mismong si Chief PNP ang nagsabi kanina, wala tayong sisinuhin, kahit sino pa siya, magpa-file tayo ng kaso, at inulit niya kanina na pagtulong-tulungan natin dito at hindi sana ito makaapekto sa mukal ng PNP, kundi bagkus mag-serve ito as a challenge to everyone who's a member of the PNP.
There have been 29 former PNP chiefs, 5 of whom have passed away. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.